All right, so welcome to the first installment of, well, Common Core Math by Mr. Klee. All right, so your child came home with a problem, or a bunch of problems here. So what we're going to do is just take care of the first two and see how it goes. So what we're doing here is we're adding tenths. So there's 1/10, 2/10, and it makes sense that we should have a total of 3/10. And what that looks like as a decimal is decimal point and a 3 in standard form, so we call that 3/10. All right, so far, so good. Now, drawing a place value chart, it would look something like this. So I create my little place value chart here, and I would add my decimal point. So this would be my tenths, would be my ones, and so on. And how they want to show this conceptually is to take 1/10 and show it here. And that was my first tenth, and add my two more, and I have 1, 2, 3, for a total of 3/10. Okay, and if I even bring my decimal point down here a little bit to show it, there's my point 3 being shown, which is kind of nice. So the next one, let's get rid of this here, writing all over my world. Let's see, so I have 14/10, and now I have 9/10. If I was to add that up, I would get 23/10. I'd write that right in here. And this is where kids get a little confused. Looking at 23/10, I don't know. When I was a kid, this wouldn't have made a lot of sense to me. So I try to talk to them in terms of money and say, well, if you have 23 dimes, because a tenth is 1/10 is to a dollar, is 1/10 of a dollar, and a dime is that. So how much money do you really have? Well, still, sometimes kids can't figure that one out. So what I'm going to do here is build another place value chart down here, and I'm going to add my 23/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Now here's how it works. It actually works out pretty well because what I'll do here, I'm, I'm, I'm showing that I have too many tenths in my tenths column. I can group 10 of these together because 10/10 is going to equal one whole. So I'll group them together, I'll toss it over here, and that gives me 1 in the ones place. But I have another set of 10. So I'm going to group those together and do the same thing. Now I have 2 in the ones column. Notice I have 3 left. So if I was to bring my decimal down here, I have 3/10 left here, and now I have 2 ones here for a total of 2.3, or 2 and 3/10. Now how does that look up here? Well, I have 2 ones, I have 3/10 for a total in standard form looking like 2.3. And that's the deal. All right? Good luck on the rest, and we'll see how it goes. Take care.